We are at the Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be going to the Okashi Goten shop located in Yomitan, just right across the Zampa Mizaki Hotel. And this shop offers a lot of refreshments, delicacies, foods, and snacks that you can enjoy. They actually specialize in beni imo, and it's a sweet potato tart, which is very satisfying to eat, and it has a purple color. And if you're ever out here, I highly suggest you come visit this place. So the beni imo's purple yam delicacies are grown in Yomitan originally, and you could actually get them for 30% to 50% off. And it's also tax-free if you present a passport. And you'll be able to find various delicacies and snacks that you can choose from. Alright, so this is the tart factory. This is where they produce all the purple yams. Really great in Okinawa. And it tastes really great, delicious. This is what's originally made. And you'll be able to see that the shop has its own beni imo factory, which is also mass produced. And as you can see from here, there's a lot of various machines. Whoa, that's a lot of beni imos. And if you're a big tea fanatic, the shop also has its own various of teas, which ranges around 500 yen for a pack. And if you're a chocolate lover, this shop specializes in chocolate delicacies. They make various chocolate snacks, and also a great gift for your families and friends. And you'll be able to get a mixture of chocolate and beni imo snacks all mixed together, which is very delicious. As you can see here, they sell individual beni imo snacks, which ranges around 120 yen to 100 yen. And in this, you'll be able to find souvenirs, which is great for tourists and visitors. And in this section, you'll be able to find the wines and the Habu Snake Sake wine. And the Habu Sake Snake wine is actually potent. It's a very potent drink, and it's actually extracted from the Habu snake, which is very venomous. So if you're big on wine, I highly suggest you try the Habu Snake Sake wine. If you're ever out here, you can try their food samples. Very delicious, and they provide different food samples for different snacks. And around this section, you'll be able to find the ice cream shop. And right next door, they also have an ice cream shop called Blue Seal, which is very popular around Okinawa. They also sell beni imo ice cream snacks, along with various flavors that you can choose from. You can actually buy lime cake snacks, which comes in a packet, which costs around 1,300 yen. So we're just going to explore the area a bit. This is a great shop. It's just right next to the Zampa Mizaki Hotel. And usually this shop is filled with visitors and tourists from all around the world. And it's actually popular in the Yomitan district. But due to these special circumstances, there's not a lot of people around here. This is really great. If you ever have a chance to get out here, this tastes really great. This is actually our favorite snack here, this beni imo pack. So if you get a chance to come down here, try one of these out. It's really great, and you'll really enjoy. And then around this area, there's all these souvenirs that you can purchase as well. The prices ranges pretty cheap, so you can get a lot. Check out these. Okay, well, look at the designs on these cups right here. It's only 13.
I would love to buy all this stuff.
If you get a chance to come out here, this is a great place to purchase souvenir shops and gifts for your families and friends. And in this area, you'll be able to find custom plates, which is very unique and customized, and you'll be able to get these from here.
All the shishas.
Shisha dogs are known to chase evil spirits away, and it's really great for buildings and houses. And a lot of buildings, houses, and temples usually have shisha dogs in front of them in order to chase evil spirits away.
Wow, the bags. 10.
Alright, so we are all done at the Okashi Goten shop. Now we are going to the AEON Max Valu to pick up some groceries, and we will show you around. And if you ever get a chance to come down to AEON Max Valu, they sell various of fruits and vegetables which are all organic. And if you are very healthy and live a very healthy lifestyle, the AEON Max Valu would be the ideal source to go shopping, because they sell a lot of organic foods and majority of seafoods as well, which is pretty awesome. And if you're looking for high quality meat, AEON Max Valu provides that, and which is pretty affordable. And our favorite section to go to is the ramen section. And if you're ever out here, try all the ramens that the store has to offer. You'll be able to see all types of ramens, seafoods, and various types. And if you're ever low on energy, AEON Max Valu provides various energy drinks that you can choose from. And there's various types of organic drinks, from fruits, oranges, a lot of beverages, and a lot of milk, all types of milk, and pastries. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. Please also like and subscribe to our channel, and also hit that notification bell for more travel videos. Thank you.